Nice view. So far this creek's been a tough hike, but I just saw a nice fish, and let's see if I can try to get some now. Let's see what I can do. We will see. Oh, I'm seeing a good looking hole up here. I cannot spook him. Oh, he's feeding. I see this fish feeding. I don't know if I can get upstream with him. We'll certainly try. He's coming for it. He's coming for it. Got him. Got him. Got the cutthroat. He ate my nymph. Oh yeah. This is supposedly a greenback, and this is a nice one in this creek. Wow. Jeez. This might be the biggest greenback I've ever caught. If I can land him, holy cow, that's a stud. Get him in the net. Oh my God. What a nice fish. Holy cow, I can't believe I caught that thing. This is a pure greenback cutthroat. Off he goes. He came right up for my nymph. I didn't even place it above him. He came back and grabbed it. Jeez, look at that beaut. There's that fish feeding again. Yeah, it was hard to get a cast right above him without snagging this tree. And I did a cast just to the left of him. And he came over totally horizontal to the stream and just ate my nymph. I see one. And I spooked him. Dang. Got him on the dry, on the dry. Yeah. Got him. I thought I spooked this fish, but it came up, ate the dry. Oh my gosh, what a beauty. Holy cow. Look at that fish. Holy cow. Oh my God. There he goes. Thanks for playing, buddy. He's just chilling right there. Cool. There he is. Wow. Thanks, buddy. Been working hard to catch those two fish. I've spooked a bunch and had a few refusals. October 14th, and I think now that it's getting to be late afternoon, like 3, I think maybe they're eating dries a little more. I don't really know what this fly is that I caught that last one on. Some kind of, looks like a caddis. I think it's like a stimulator. A little different than I usually use. And the nymph I caught the first one on is just a little copper john. It's getting all stripped, but I thought it might still work. There's that fish. He's right under the tree. I don't think I've spooked him yet. It is hard to get a cast under there. Let's see what we can do. Oh my God, come on up. I think you saw my drive. This is a hard cast. Here he comes. Got him on the dry, got him on the dry. Yep, he came up to the dry. Oh, how do I land this guy? Oh boy. Whoa, that is a pretty fish. Come on, there we go. Oh my God, another beautiful cutty. Those spots, come on, it doesn't get much better than that. That's amazing. Come back, there he goes. All right, third cutty. There he is in that pool, hanging out. He didn't seem to like that little hole, so I'm gonna put him in the hole he came from. Gosh, what a fish. It's calmer in there, that's his home. Oh boy, I see a big one up here. Or at least a bigger one than the last one. See if we can get him. I haven't spooked him yet, so I think he'll eat. Got him! Well, he's not that big. They're not bad though. Come on, little fella. Oh, he ate my dry too. Time for the dries. He's a little longer, but he's skinnier. Whoa, he's a dark fish too. Gosh, look at that color. That was pretty cool. I didn't even get a good drift. I think my dry was underwater when he ate it. I'm gonna throw him right back in that little hole. Nice, that's 4. That was 2 in a row right there too. They just each occupy their own little hole. Oh, that is a moose right in front of me. I'm gonna leave, buddy. Sorry. All right, I hopped back on the trail pretty quick after running into that moose. It's pretty cool. Don't want to mess with him. So I just slowly backed away. I'm gonna go upstream of him and see if I can just get a little bit more fishing in before the sun goes over the mountain. Okay, I just went upstream of this moose and the water's like tannic red all of a sudden. It wasn't like this downstream. It's like kind of, I don't even know why it's red. If that's a mineral or if it's the pine trees making it kind of tannic. That big bull, he's moving upstream just like me. So I ought to get out of his realm. Oh my gosh. Holy cow, he's huge. Nice time to take a little break. Wow. Wow. I'm kind of hoping somebody can walk by so they see him. There he goes. Go behind that tree. See you, bud. I love you. Nice hike, too. I guess I wasn't filming when I caught this last cutthroat. Beautiful fish, though. Come right back. And that's going to end my day fishing, I think. Also, because I'm scared of bears. Hey, bear. Whew. Nice fish. I guess I didn't get that last one on film, but oh well.